Well, how's this for an extraordinary time of year in the garden? If you're a gardener, you've got to be in heaven right now. Not just because it's Canada, although that's part of it, but this is one of my apple trees. I've got 50. This one is in the backyard, and it is in full and glorious bloom, which might beg the question, well, what do I do now? And the answer is absolutely nothing. Like, enjoy it and let the bees do their work, because this is their time. They're going to come in, they're going to pollinate your apple trees, and if you live in the city and you only have one apple tree, it'll cross-pollinate with other apples or crab apples in your neighborhood, so it'll be just fine. It'll produce fruit. In another 3 or 4 weeks we'll start to apply sulfur and Endol to bring insects and diseases under control, and I'll do that every 2 weeks. And in the meantime, we've got lots of birds making nests with stuffed Marys put out here, and we have orioles, which I've scared away for the moment, but they just love to feed right there. And when we're not doing that, we're doing this. We are, you can't see that very well, can you? We're picking asparagus. Isn't that a handsome asparagus? I've got a garden full of it, so we are going nuts right now. This is gardener's heaven. Enjoy it. Never lasts quite long enough, does it? Certainly the frogs in the background who are croaking would agree. Mark Cullen and Ben Cullen, markcullen.com.